Hello friends, you are watching ERUDIRE Plus, the professional CAD/CAM solution provider. This channel provides basics of finite element analysis and computer-aided mechanical engineering design and analysis using CAD-related software. Let's get started.
Hello friends, today I'll show modeling of a mechanical component. This one will be done using SolidWorks software. This is actually for the basic users. This is for the beginners who are learning SolidWorks at the beginning level. This is exercise number 7. So in this case we are trying to draw this one from the, it's easier to draw from the right hand itself, right? So we'll draw it from the right hand. Let's see the drawing again. Actual drawing looks like this one. So it will be a square of 80 by 80 millimeter, and the top side we have to provide some fillets of 20 millimeter radius, right? We're taking from the right hand. Okay, so let's start with part. We'll take the right hand normal to. Let's draw one rectangle or a square, anything else. Let's provide smart dimension to that one as 80 by 80 millimeter. Next one, we have to provide some fillet at these two ends. Fillet radius is 20 millimeter. Let's provide the fillet radius is 20 millimeter. Done. Next one, at this location you have to draw circle here. Two circles will be required. Let's see the location of the circles. It is from top side is 20 millimeter away, and the distance between the two circles is equal to 50 millimeter. That means we have to draw two circles, right, of diameter 10 millimeter. Let's draw the circles. Now let's provide smart dimension to that one. Diameter is 10 millimeter in both the cases. From top it is 20 millimeter away. And the distance between the center is equal to 50 millimeter. Let's take the smart dimension. So drawing is complete. Green check and exit from the sketch. Select the sketch again and features, extrude boss base. And extrusion thickness is how much it is. You can see extrusion thickness equal to 12 millimeter. Done. Green check. On the bottom plane we have to draw one rectangular part of length 65 and breadth equal to 60 millimeter, because here in this case radius is equal to 30 millimeter, right? Bottom plane we have to draw rectangle 65 by 60 millimeter. So we'll select the plane as base plane normal to. Here in this case you have to draw it, right? So better to draw with the center line. Sketch center line first. Now here in this case you draw the rectangle, and at the end of the rectangle was one semicircular part will be there. The rectangle should be symmetric with respect to the center line. Its length is 65 millimeter, and this one should be symmetric with respect to the center line. Right, next to that, at the end of this point we have to draw a semicircle. Done. And the radius of this one will be 30 millimeter. Let's provide smart dimension to that. Now we have to trim out the unwanted portion. Drawing is complete. Let's see anything is there in the drawing or not. This one to be extruded with the extrude thickness of 10 millimeter. So drawing is complete. Green check. Exit from the sketch. Now that to be extruded. Select the sketch again. Features, extrude boss base. And extrusion length will be 10 millimeter. I think extrusion depth equal to 10 millimeter. That to be extruded in the reverse direction. Done. Right. Let's see the view, isometric view 1. Right. Now here at this end we can do one thing. Fillet can be provided here. Fillet of radius 15 millimeter. Done. The same thing we have to do at this end also. Fillet of radius 15 millimeter to be done. Done. Good. Now here at this point again we have to draw some two cylindrical portions will be there, two cylinders. So select that plane again, normal to draw here two circles. Let's see the dimension of that one. It is two concentric circles of diameter 40 and 25 millimeter. To get the center location, let's draw the center line. Let's see the dimension to these circles. 40 millimeter at 25 millimeter. Smart dimension. 40 and 25 millimeter. We have drawn two circles of diameter 40 and 25 millimeter, and that to be extruded with a thickness of 30 millimeter. Extrude height is 30 millimeter. Okay, drawing is complete. Green check, exit from the sketch, select the sketch again, features, extrude boss base, extrusion depth will be 30 millimeter. Done. Let's see the drawing again. Now another thing, down this plane we have to draw one hole. This should be through a hole, so select that plane again, normal to, let's draw the circle. So to get the circle point, here this is the center point. Green check, exit from the sketch, select the sketch again and features, extrude cut. While cutting this one, we should take the plane as up to next. So you can see this is a hole. You see through hole is done. It is cut, right? Okay. Next one we have to draw. Let's see the drawing. Here this circular arc is required at this point. So we'll select the plane. Let's see the plane. This is the front plane. This is not matching there, so we have to take the plane. Middle of this one will be the plane, right? We can make a reference plane with respect to this one. As total width equal to 80 millimeter, from here 40 millimeter we will have to make a reference plane. So from here we have to make a reference plane in the opposite direction, flip side to offset, opposite direction at a distance of 40 millimeter. This is the middle one. Done. Now at this plane we have to draw plane normal to. At this plane we have to draw this part, right? You can drag it a little bit. This is the plane. Here we have to draw it. So sketch, we have to take some lines from here. It will be continuous drawing. Let's take a little bit inside, as it should touch this object. Now from this point we have to draw, let's take a center of this one, any center line. Okay, let's draw an arc from any point here. Now let's provide smart dimension to this one, that's 15 millimeter. Now we can join these parts. It should be continuous drawing, so we can join these two parts together. An unwanted portion, we can trim it out. So green check, exit from the sketch, select the sketch again, that to be extruded, extrude boss base, and extrude thickness should be equal to, we can see the drawing, it will be equal to extrude thickness equal to 10 millimeter. From the middle plane 10 millimeter. So drawing is complete. Now to see the drawing in better way, we can do one thing, we can apply some color to this one. Now we can provide some color to this one. Appearance will be like maybe metallic appearance we can provide. Let's provide the appearance to brass, polished brass. And to have a better look, we can change the background also. Let the background be plain white. Okay, this is our model. It is ready. It looks very nice. Now, while drawing this one, we learned a little bit of extrude boss base, extrude cut, but at the same time changing of planes and reference geometry. We created some reference planes also. And we could use some other things like mirror also we could do, right? So this is a very basic model for the students who are learning SolidWorks at the beginning level. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe and share, and if you have any kind of doubts, please write to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye.